Raspberry Pi was founded back in 2008. Since then, we've sold something like 60 million of these products. All the way through our relationship with Sony here in Wales, there's been a sense that we've been benefiting from Sony Pencoid's association with the larger Sony organisation. There's a skills base here that has benefited from the capabilities of that wider organisation. Obviously, from time to time, we also benefit from the manufacturing capacity of Sony in Japan. This is a business that we could not run without the partnership with Sony here in Pencoid, and that partnership would be so much less compelling if Sony Pencoid did not have access to the wider Sony ecosystem here and in Japan.
We're a Japanese company, we are Sony, but we've become a Wales-Japanese company. We've merged the best of the Welsh culture with the best of Japanese culture and got this kind of hybrid system now. 67% of our product is probably Europe, Middle East and Africa, and then the remaining is an equal split between the Americas and Asia. So we're shipping professional broadcast products back to Japan, made in Wales, to America, made in Wales. Same with Raspberry Pi and all of the other products that we have. You know, we are kind of the center producing and growing that export business. Talking to the ambassador, Suzuki-san, he's very keen to emphasize not only Wales, but the UK in Japan. It's going to be a very big year.
I've developed a love for Wales actually in the last 12 years, but it's great that we have that sort of made in Wales, made in the UK, because it still carries a cachet around the world.
It's one of a handful of key commercial relationships that's underpinned the success of Raspberry Pi. I don't believe we could do what we do if we were manufacturing this product anywhere else in the world.